2017 Dodge Charger HEMI 5.7 liter. Beautiful car. We left the original catalytic converters on it. And then it comes with a factory X pipe. We did a resonator delete and a muffler delete. It will be loud and we're gonna like it. It has those exhaust flaps on it. You don't want to take these off because it will throw a check engine light if you do take them off. Again, resonator delete and muffler delete with a built-in factory X pipe. Hope you guys like the sound. Oh yeah, much better. That's what it's supposed to sound like. I love it on idle, you know. These come with the new 17s and up, come with the tips built into the bumper.